Hi, welcome to this video. You can use Claude AI to debug Python scripts through three primary methods: the standard web interface or app, terminal-based tools like Claude Code, or by integrating Claude's API into AI-forward code editors like Cursor or VS Code extensions. But if you want to work with Claude AI code inside Claude, then you need to upgrade at least to a Pro or Max, right? So you can access the Claude code, right? Basically, that's it. That's all you need to do, right? You can use the standard web interface or app, which you need to upgrade, terminal-based tools like Claude Code, which you need to download the Claude first, and I assume that you need to upgrade also. So it's not going to be free if it's not free in the web interface, or by integrating Claude's API into AI forward code editors like Cursor, which I hear it's free, but it offers free trials. Some say they have a limited free plan. So basically, do with that information as you will. Consider liking this video, subscribe it. It really helps with the channel. And you can, use a structured debugging prompt like I'm getting an error in my Python script and paste the error or stack trace in that script. And you can tell them like, here is the relevant code, paste the code here. Please explain exactly why this error is happening, provide the corrected code, suggest how to prevent this error in the future. That's one example out of many, right? So till next time, see you. Hi.